Ahoy, mateys! Want to discover hidden treasures online? Telegram is your ship, and I'm here to be your first mate. Telegram isn't just for chatting. It's a powerful tool to connect with people and make money. Think of it as your online shop, open 24/7. Whether you're a skilled craftsman, a talented artist, or a savvy marketer, Telegram offers a way to reach your audience directly. No more algorithm worries, just pure connection. So are you ready to set sail on this exciting adventure? Let's hoist the colors and explore the world of Telegram monetization together. Creating your Telegram channel is as easy as launching a paper boat. Just a few simple steps and you're ready to go. First, download the Telegram app from your app store. It's available for free on all devices, whether you're using a smartphone, tablet, or computer. Once installed, open the app and look for the new channel option in the menu. Give your channel a catchy name and a clear description. This will help attract the right audience. Think of this as your storefront, so make it inviting and appealing. Next, choose a simple yet memorable username. This is crucial for your channel's identity. A good username helps people find you easily and remember your channel. Think of it as your shop's address on the Telegram street, making it easy for visitors to locate you. Finally, add a profile picture that represents your brand or niche. This visual element is key to your channel's identity. Now your ship is ready to sail, your channel is set up and ready for content. Start inviting your friends, family, and social media contacts. Share your channel link to grow your audience. A pirate ship is nothing without its crew. To grow your Telegram audience, you need to attract the right members. Start by sharing valuable content related to your niche. This could be helpful tips, insightful articles, or even entertaining videos. Engage with your audience by asking questions, responding to comments, and hosting polls. Make them feel like part of your crew. Promote your Telegram channel on other social media platforms. Share a link on your Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter profiles. Collaborate with other Telegram channels in your niche. This cross-promotion can introduce your channel to a wider audience. Section 4. Buried treasure, monetizing your Telegram channel. Now let's uncover the treasure chest of opportunities. There are many ways to monetize your Telegram channel once you have a loyal following. The key is to understand your audience and what they value. Partner with businesses and promote their products or services on your channel. This can be done through sponsored posts, reviews, or even giveaways. You earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. It's a win-win situation for both you and the business. Are you a talented artist or creator? Sell your artwork or handmade items directly through your channel. This allows you to reach a wider audience without the need for a middleman. Offer coaching services or online courses. Share your expertise and help others while earning money. Create exclusive content and benefits for paid members. This could include behind-the-scenes access, special tutorials, or personalized advice. This could be early access to new content, special discounts, or a private community where members can interact with you directly. Collaborate with brands to create sponsored content that aligns with your niche and benefits your audience. This not only brings in revenue, but also adds value to your followers. Section 5. Real-life pirates, success stories. Many savvy entrepreneurs are already sailing the Telegram seas and reaping the rewards. Let's meet a few of these modern-day digital pirates who have discovered their own treasure troves on this versatile platform. A passionate chef shares delicious recipes, cooking tips, and sells her own line of spices and sauces through her Telegram channel. Her followers eagerly await her weekly updates, making her a culinary star in her own right. A tech enthusiast provides insightful reviews, tutorials, and earns through affiliate marketing by recommending gadgets and software. His channel has become a go-to resource for tech lovers seeking honest opinions and expert advice. A certified fitness trainer offers online workout programs, nutritional guidance, and builds a community through her Telegram channel. Her interactive sessions and personalized plans have helped many achieve their fitness goals. These inspiring stories prove that with dedication, creativity, and a sprinkle of Telegram magic, you too can find your own buried treasure. Whether you're a chef, tech guru, or fitness expert, Telegram offers endless possibilities to turn your passion into profit. Section 6. Charting your course, your journey to Telegram riches. Starting your Telegram journey might seem daunting, but remember, even the most experienced pirates were once landlubbers. Take the first step by creating your channel. Experiment with different content formats and monetization methods to see what works best for you. Be patient, consistent, and always prioritize providing value to your audience. Remember, building a successful Telegram channel takes time and effort. So, hoist the sails, adjust your compass, and set course for the exciting world of Telegram monetization. The treasure awaits, Captain.